If you need to add an endnote in LibreOffice Writer, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a quick and easy way. Endnotes are really useful when you want to add extra references, notes, or explanations without cluttering the main body of your document. Whether you're working on an essay, report, article, or any other writer document, this tutorial will help you add an endnote correctly in just a few clicks. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice. You can either start with a brand new writer document or open an existing document that you want to edit. Once your document is open, scroll to the place where you want the endnote reference to appear. This is the small marker that connects your main text to the note at the end of the document. Click exactly where you want that reference inserted, because the endnote will be placed based on your cursor position. Next, look at the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps options for adding objects, links, notes, and other document elements. From the Insert menu, choose Footnote and Endnote. Then click Endnote. LibreOffice will automatically insert an endnote reference into your text and create the matching note section at the end of the document. You do not need to manually number it or create the link yourself because Writer handles that for you. After the endnote reference is added, go to the end of the document where the note area appears. Click there and type your endnote text. This is where you can write your citation, explanation, comment, or additional information. You can make the endnote as short or detailed as you need, depending on your document style. If you add more endnotes later, LibreOffice will number them automatically and keep everything organized for you. That is one of the biggest advantages of using endnotes instead of trying to manage notes manually. If you want, you can also review the formatting of your document to make sure the reference and note look consistent with the rest of your writing. And that's it. You've successfully added an endnote in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and now you can use endnotes to keep your document clean, professional, and easy to read. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and I'll see you in the next one.